Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into top-tier products to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we're reviewing the best Dr. Brandt Pore's No More Pore Refiner Primer, an iconic staple in many beauty routines and for good reason. Let's jump right in. First off, what exactly is this product? The Dr. Brandt Pore's No More Pore Refiner Primer is a mattifying cream primer designed for all skin types, but especially loved by those with oily or combination skin. The version we're talking about today comes in a pack of 2, each with 0.5 fluid ounces, giving you a full ounce of product to work with. Now, here's what makes it stand out. This primer is known for instantly minimizing the appearance of pores the moment you apply it. We're not talking about temporary blurring. It actually helps smooth the look of your skin and controls shine throughout the day. If you deal with excess oil, this product could become your go-to in your morning skincare or makeup routine. Application is super easy. After moisturizing, just pat a small amount onto areas where your pores are most visible, think T-zone, cheeks, or anywhere you experience shine. It has a lightweight cream texture that doesn't feel greasy or heavy. It absorbs quickly and leaves your skin feeling velvety, soft and matte, creating the perfect canvas for makeup. And if you're going makeup-free, it still gives a polished, refined finish on bare skin. What sets it apart from many other primers is its dual benefit. While it helps your makeup stay put longer, it also treats your skin by absorbing oil and preventing midday shine. You won't find that with every primer out there. Plus, it's dermatologist tested, which adds an extra layer of reassurance for anyone concerned about breakouts or irritation. Let's talk routine. This primer fits seamlessly into your morning regimen. Cleanse, tone, moisturize, then go in with a small amount of the Pore Refiner Primer before applying your foundation. You can even touch up during the day over makeup if needed. Just press it into the skin gently without rubbing. Another great aspect is its portability. Each 0.5 ounces tube is compact, so it's perfect for on the go or travel. And since you get a pack of 2, you can leave one at home and keep one in your bag. In terms of aesthetics, the product comes in sleek, easy-to-use packaging that feels premium and functional. No mess, no waste, and a controlled amount with every squeeze. To wrap this up, this Dr. Brandt Pore's No More Pore Refiner Primer isn't just another primer. It's a powerful multitasker that smooths, mattifies, and perfects in one step. Whether you're prepping for a long day at work or a night out, it keeps your skin looking its best while controlling shine and minimizing pores. If you're looking to refine your skincare meets makeup routine, this might just be your next holy grail. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a review. See you next time.